Hello guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show you how to edit Shopify website. So as you can see right now on the screen, we're currently in Shopify. And so we're going to be showing you how you will be able to modify your website or the appearance of your website. To get started with modifying the appearance of your website, we're going to look over here on the left side of our Shopify. We have our different tools over here. Look under sales channel, you will be able to see the option online store. So if you select online store over here, we will see in this section, this is where we will be able to manage and view the different themes of our store. So what are themes? Themes are basically the appearance of your store. The different styles, the different way, the different fonts, the different colors, all sorts of things that is being managed inside of themes. As you can see here, these are different examples of themes and all of them look different from each other. The one that we are using right now is the Shopify Dawn theme, and that is the default theme that you would get when you first create an account or when you first create a store in Shopify. So we could preview our store right now by clicking on the preview button, and we will be able to see what it currently looks like. And as you can see, this is what our store looks like, freshly made. So let's click on customize so that we would be redirected to another page and so that we could begin modifying our website. So let's give you a quick tour. Over here on the left side, we have our header. So our header is this section over here, the announcement bar, and this header section, which is the navigation bar. So we could add sections into this section over here on the top. We could add another announcement bar if you want. By clicking this, we will be able to add another section. As you can see, we now have two announcement bar. And the great thing about this is that you could modify what the announcement bar will say. So you could on the auto rotate announcement, and you could add different information into this, like different content. So we could duplicate, we could move its location, and we could also change what it should say. As you can see here under announcement bar, it's saying welcome to our store. We could add another announcement over here. So let's say in this one, we could say 50% off summer promotion, something like that. And the way this would work is that there will now be two announcements in the announcement bar. Now, aside from that, in the header, that's the only thing you will be able to add. But you could also modify our navigation bar over here, where you could change what type of menu you would like to be displayed here. There are multiple menus that you could create. So if you want to have a side menu and then a navigation bar, you could do that as well. And you could change the color as such. And we have here the template. The template is basically the body of your website. It's where majority of the content is. And unlike in the header, when you click on add section, there are total of 17 sections. In our header, we only had one or two. As you can see here, liquid, custom liquid, and the announcement bar. So over here, we have our image banner. Let me modify this a bit because I think the item banner is too big and I would like it to be small. There we go. So that we could accommodate or see more space in our website, as you can see here. Now, just like what we did over here, where we could modify individual sections, each section that we will add will have its own unique setting. So for example, under add section, let's say I want to add a collage. So if I click on collage, we will be able to see collage inside of our website. And inside here, it will automatically show us the settings. So over here, we have our collage. So maybe you could change the name over here. So let's say summer blowout, I guess. And then you could change the heading size and all of those things. You could change the desktop layout and many more. So there's a lot of things that you will be able to modify. You could have, or you could choose any section that you want. Let's add maybe something with text. So like something image with text over here. And maybe you're promoting a specific product or you want to talk about a specific brand. You can easily do that by adding the information necessary by double clicking the text field over here. By doing that, we will be able to, as you can see, change the text to whatever we want. So it depends on what content that you want to add, but you will be able to easily add that. Then you could change the text style over here and so forth. You could add as many sections as you want. You could change which page you are modifying by clicking on the home page over here on the top. Maybe you would like to change the way the product view looks like. So you could select products, then you could select the specific products, and this is what our product preview would look like. If you want to modify this, you could easily change it by doing the same thing we were showing in the homepage earlier, where we modified announcement bar and this other sections over here. So over here on our template, we have our text, our title, our price. So let's say I don't like to review the variant picker. We have the quantity selector. Maybe I don't like to see the quantity selector, all of those things. It will go away, as you can see here. And if you want to add again, you can click on add block and you can see all the different things that you could add, like inventory status if you want. As you can see, you can even see the status over here. And if you want to rearrange how it looks, so you can easily drag and drop it just like that. And now our inventory status is under the price. You can do it under or over the title over here. And then you could add sections as well, as you can see here. If you like to have like a section where you could show recommended or recommendation, I guess you could do that. As you can see, I click on collections, then I could change this title over here, recommended, and stuff like that. So like when they view a specific product, they would be able to see the recommended products that you have. And same thing with all the other sections. You will be able to change individual settings, as you can see here. So aside from that, we are also able to modify our website in another way aside from the website builder that you just saw, and that is through codes. So if you're someone who is very familiar and well-versed in code and you want to modify things in the back end part, you can easily do that by going to the code section. And as you can see here, you will be able to see all the code related to your website. You can even search for specific codes over here, or like you could filter out the files so that you could find the specific website code that you are looking for. So anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.